Our commenters showed us and changed the way we learn because that we should look a little bit more in detail and show everyone how to do different things before starting on the general steps.
It tells us like not to skip any steps during math problems. And that's all.
I think that the comment is very helpful because usually I think that my answer is always right, but then I didn't check the answer key. So I think now I think I'll check the answer key before I start. So I have a basic understanding about the question.
Another concept that I actually thought that the dimension from the top was actually from the I mistaken it from the front, so actually the answer was wrong. So it fixed my thought from exactly which is the front and which is the top dimension.
Well, the comments improved our math skills because, the drawings our drawings weren't that clear. And
Yes.
in the end, the process was that our solution, I think, was wrong.
And they kind of opened our eyes, sort of, and they kind of explained what we got wrong, which was clever insight on how to fix the problem.
The commenter helped me by telling me that my graph is confusing and how I can fix my graph, and also that my commenter helped me about the design on my blog where the video should be and how the audience can see it more clearly.
My commenter helped me by saying in my procedure about I should put more trials and then how the trials will affect my conclusion and the data solved.
The commenter said that my hypothesis didn't make a lot of sense, and I think it helped me think how I should explain more my hypothesis and other words that I choose to explain how I did my experiment, and that I shouldn't worry too much about the graph and more about the explaining my hypothesis and experiment.
My comment pointed out that my graph didn't make sense, and if the commenter didn't point that out, I might have did that mistake again and over.
My commenter said that they tried another way of doing an experiment, and since mine had a lot of mistakes on my experiment, I think that it really helped, and I could think more about other ways